let's just go ahead then and write sized box with a width of 40.0 followed by another wrap widget. Set its direction as axis.vertical and set its spacing to 9.0. The children will contain a text with my dummy email address. That is to say, paulinaknop@gmail.com with a size of 15.0. Next, let me call the sense again. And I'm gonna put a phone number here. And give it a size of 15.0 as well. Then the last thing I want to do is give an address. I'll put 13/3 Szczecin, Poland over here. And I'll give it the size of 15.0. Once it's all done, reload the app, and you're gonna see that everything is aligned perfectly. Cool. I'm going to minimize this padding right now. Since we have finished the first section of the page, let's call it Intro First Section so that we know where it actually begins. After doing it, we're gonna start by putting a sized box with a height of 90.0. As always, remember to put the commas in the right places. Then, we are going to focus on coding the About section of the page. Let's start by adding a comment here that will denote the starting of the second page. So, let's write About Me, second section. This section is also going to start with a padding widget. Let me set the padding to edgeinsets.only then. Left is going to be 20.0. Inside the child, it's going to have a column. Now, what I want to do is set the cross-axis alignment to cross-axis alignment.center and the main axis alignment to main axis alignment.center. Inside the children, let me call the sense boat and write About Me. Finally, I am going to set its size to 35.0. Once it's done, that's exactly what you should see. But if you observe carefully, when we are scrolling, the app bar is covering some parts of the page. To solve this problem, I have already given the app bar a transparent color at the beginning of the lesson. And now I need to set the extend body behind app bar to true inside the scaffold. Let's reload the app. Great. As you can see, the problem is gone. When we scroll down, the app bar doesn't cover the page and everything looks just perfect.